How to embed your YouTube channel links, social media links, and Sub to Me fan page on Notion. This is about the fourth time I've recorded this video, so I've done it before. So basically, we want to create a page, view site, that whatever we're sharing, whatever we're doing within Notion, we can share the stats. I don't know why. I'll accept all. Okay. There's an active social media network. So if you're talking about something, you want to work with somebody on YouTube, you want to share their links, their pages, as long as their pages aren't broken links, we can embed within Notion subscribe boxes, subscribe to me animation, things like that, right? It's very easy to do, and I'll try and keep it sweet this time. So whatever your Sub to Me channel is, or if you're looking for another channel, make sure it's on there. So if you want to do Manchester United, or you're doing something in there about, if you spell Manchester right, Paul. Manchester United. If you want to share something about Man United, you're doing a project on Man United, you want to come back and find their links quickly. Oh my word, I am in a spelling problem. Sub to Me /Man United /badge. All right, that is the link. All you've got to do is in here, Manchester United bid. Maybe you're doing some work for them. You might put local, social media links. Go down, give it a /, give it an embed. When you embed, it'll ask for that. It will ask for that badge. Post the badge. In comes the embed. You might put a subscribe button /embed. Enter. The subscribe button is the Sub to Me page /sub widget. We'll give you the subscribe button. If you copy it, drop it in, it will go and find it. If you want to find your my profile /embed, enter, go back to Sub to Me and type in whatever your channel is. I am on here, PNUK training /badge. Get the badge, drop the badge, embed the badge. Same thing. Subscribe. So if you're doing maybe this is just a cool thing for somebody who's writing something in Notion and they want to share their links at the bottom of it. Share a subscribe to their YouTube page. If you spell embed right, if you do the whatever it's asking for, I don't know why that went up. I don't use it. I don't use Notion. I think you can probably tell. So you will be having ideas of how this will be interesting to you. So if you want to put your widget at the bottom, sub widget. So when you do sub widget embed, so it's going to animate hand, but when you click the button, it will go to that subscribe option. Share, publish with whoever you're publishing it with, and away you go. So now on your document in Notion, you have got the Instagram, you have got the Twitter, whatever they've put within their PNUK settings, you have got all that information. If the channel's missing, you can let me know. If you want to put your own channel on there, back to Sub to Me, go to here, add your channel, pnuk.com. PNUK is me, Paul Nicholson, in the UK. All you've got to do is log in. It's free. It'll ask you to verify with Google or Twitter, and then come down the bottom here and hit add your channel. It'll take you to a verification page to prove you own it. It'll bring you back to this page, and then you manage your channel. So whichever channel that is. So what did I just do there? Punk training. Here are the links. So if I wanted in here, the beauty I think of this is you can change it on the PNUK end and it will take effect here. So say maybe this PNUK on Twitter, maybe I want to change that in here. So the X on Twitter, let me change it to, what is Sub to Me _. Yes, somebody's got Sub to Me. When I refresh that, not that, I mean, it probably will work there as well. When I refresh this, I'm really hoping that takes me to the new link. So now you've got a place to manage. PNUK is all about management of links. management of your pages, and then not having to change it on every document you've ever done, you can come back in here and just change it where you want it to go. pnuk.com on Twitter. Update, I meant to say there. I refresh that, and then this should go back to there, right? So it's a cool way to, I think, to share links, to share. I will put different types of social. Maybe I'll create one that says, follow me on X, follow me, and make it like a bottom. So if you're writing documents, if you're doing documents, like a signature at the end, if that'd be cool, I'll create a signature. So when you go to sub to me, / your channel, which is your fan page, and then maybe this will be signature or Notion signature, and then that will give you some form of badge at the bottom of your Notion or WordPress blogs or things like that. You can embed it. Hopefully that's a cool thing. Once I started getting the widget working, and I was just testing it out, and I realized it was a one thing paste to get it to work on Notion. I thought that might be interesting. But pnuk.com, add your channels, add your stats. It all comes through from doing YouTube rankings, but the offshoot to that is I can give you fan pages, I can give you embeds, I can give you widgets, I can give you stat widgets, because obviously that tells you, well, this person's got 15,000 subscribers, had 4 million views, nearly done 800 videos. Whether you're doing projects or something, this will live update every day. When I ping the channels every day for new data, whatever your document is about, this will update. This stat will update as they get more subscribers, more views, more things to come. Fire away with anything you'd like to see, anything I can put in Notion that might add value, and hopefully find you more subscribers. So if you're a creative, you're doing a YouTube channel, you're trying to get more people to your channel, you're trying to build a business, pnuk.com. Let's get you as many fans, subscribers, members, customers as we can. Thanks for watching. As I say, any questions, PNUK, the punk, out.